works better. Water always works. No. Oh dear. Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late. Have I missed anything? I guess you don't bother to knock anymore. Thank goodness Owl is here. He'll know what to do. About what? Water won't stop my hiccups. Well now, Brett needs protection. Water is a good idea, but he must hold his breath too. How can I hold my breath too? Well, you can try. Trying never hurt anybody. For how long? For as long as it takes. Longer. Well, it worked, Owl. No more. No. Maybe you didn't hold your breath long enough. This always works. What did you do that for? I was trying to get rid of your hiccups. Well, go ahead. You try it on me. Meow. Come on. See? But you never had them. Oh my! Someone is at the door. I wonder who it could be. That was fun. The things I do in the name of friendship. I bet we made the hiccups go away. You're right, Duck. My hiccups are gone. No. It was a good idea. Some idea. Well, your idea didn't work too well. Cat's idea didn't help either. Excuse me, but I'm going to go back technique in a very famous book. What book? I've read every book in the library. Oh, please. You think you know everything. I can read. Oh, my. Enough! How can I read with all this noise? I was only hiccuping. What was that? Hiccuping. I was only hiccuping. Hiccuping? I can't hear any hiccups. But I was hiccuping. All right, hiccup for me. Come on.